Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey off-road enthusiasts and adventurers. High lift jacks are powerful tools, but using them requires specific knowledge and precautions. In this guide, we're covering everything you need to know about using a high lift jack. Join us as we explore the proper techniques, safety measures, and best practices for harnessing the power of a high lift jack effectively and safely during your off-road escapades. Everything you need to know about using a high lift jack. A high lift jack is an essential tool for off-road enthusiasts, allowing you to lift vehicles in challenging situations. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or new to the world of 4x4 adventures, knowing how to use a high lift jack correctly is crucial for safety and efficiency. In this guide, we'll explore the proper techniques for using a high lift jack, including essential safety precautions and step-by-step instructions for effective use in various scenarios. By the end of this post, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to utilize a high lift jack with ease and precision. What is a high lift jack? Understanding the function and design. A high lift jack, also known as a farm jack or a high lift jack, is a versatile tool designed to lift, pull, push, winch, and clamp. Its primary function is to lift vehicles, making it an essential piece of equipment for off-road enthusiasts and individuals dealing with heavy machinery. The high lift jack is notable for its elongated body with a climbing pin, which allows it to extend to various heights, providing substantial lifting capabilities. Different types of high lift jacks. The market offers different types of high lift jacks to suit various needs. These include the traditional high lift jack, meant for off-road vehicles and trucks, the all-cast jack, featuring a cast iron body for enhanced strength, and the extreme jack, designed specifically for the most extreme conditions. Each type serves a unique purpose, catering to the diverse requirements of users in different scenarios. Why use a high lift jack? Benefits over traditional jacks. High lift jacks offer several advantages over traditional jacks, making them essential tools for off-roading and overlanding enthusiasts. Unlike conventional bottle jacks or scissor jacks, high lift jacks provide a significantly higher lift range, often reaching up to 60 inches or more. This extended reach allows users to lift vehicles with larger tires or higher ground clearance, which may be challenging to achieve with standard jacks. Additionally, high lift jacks are versatile and can be used for lifting, pulling, pushing, winching, and clamping, making them indispensable in various off-road recovery situations. The robust construction and durability of high lift jacks further contribute to their reliability in demanding off-road environments. Common uses in off-roading and overlanding. High lift jacks are commonly utilized in off-roading and overlanding activities due to their ability to handle challenging terrain and vehicle recovery scenarios. When navigating uneven or rocky terrain, vehicles may become stuck or entangled, requiring a high lift jack to elevate the chassis and create clearance for recovery operations. Moreover, high lift jacks are instrumental in changing tires, especially in off-road conditions where the ground may be uneven or unstable. Additionally, these jacks can be employed for lifting vehicles to insert recovery tracks underneath the tires, providing traction in muddy or sandy landscapes. Overall, the adaptability and efficacy of high lift jacks make them indispensable tools for off-road enthusiasts seeking to conquer diverse terrains and overcome unexpected obstacles. Safety precautions when using a high lift jack. When operating a high lift jack, it's crucial to prioritize safety to prevent accidents and injuries. By understanding weight limits and capacities, securing the vehicle, assessing ground conditions, and wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), you can ensure a safe and successful operation. Understanding weight limits and capacities. Before using a high lift jack, it's essential to verify the weight limits and capacities specified by the manufacturer. Exceeding these limits can compromise the jack's stability and pose a significant safety hazard. Always consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer to determine the maximum weight the jack can safely handle. Securing the vehicle and ground conditions. Before lifting the vehicle, ensure that it is parked on a level and solid surface. Assess the ground conditions to identify any potential hazards such as soft or unstable terrain. Additionally, chock the wheels on the opposite end of the vehicle to prevent it from rolling during the lifting process. Securing the vehicle and assessing the ground conditions are critical steps in preventing accidents while using a high lift jack. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Before using a high lift jack, it's essential to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, to safeguard against potential hazards. This includes wearing sturdy work gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and pinch points, as well as safety goggles to shield your eyes from debris or accidental splashes. Additionally, wearing steel-toed boots can provide added protection in the event of heavy objects falling. Prioritizing the use of PPE is crucial to ensuring personal safety during the operation of a high lift jack. Hey there! Please drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Step-by-step guide to using a high lift jack. Using a high lift jack can be a lifesaver when you find yourself in an off-road predicament. However, it's crucial to understand the correct procedure to use it safely and effectively. Below are the essential steps to using a high lift jack, including positioning the jack properly, lifting the vehicle safely, and adjusting and lowering the vehicle. Positioning the jack properly. Find a stable surface. Before using a high lift jack, ensure that the ground beneath the vehicle is stable and can support the weight of both the vehicle and the jack. Place the jack. Position the jack at a suitable jacking point on the vehicle's frame or bumper. It's essential to consult your vehicle's manual to locate the recommended jacking points. Secure the jack. Ensure that the jack is firmly in place and properly aligned with the jacking point before proceeding to lift the vehicle. Lifting the vehicle safely. Engage the jack. Operate the jack using the handle, ensuring that you have a secure grip and that there are no obstructions in the jack's path. Lift gradually. Begin lifting the vehicle slowly and steadily, confirming that the vehicle is rising evenly on both sides. Check stability. As the vehicle is raised, periodically check for any signs of instability or shifting. If any issues arise, lower the vehicle and reassess the positioning of the jack. Adjusting and lowering the vehicle. Adjustment. Once the intended maintenance or repair is completed, carefully lower the vehicle by reversing the lifting process. Lower the vehicle slowly and steadily to prevent sudden movements. Remove the jack. After lowering the vehicle, remove the jack from its position, ensuring no part of your body is beneath the vehicle. Stow the jack properly. Store the high lift jack securely and safely for future use, ensuring it is in optimal condition. Following these steps diligently will ensure that you can correctly utilize a high lift jack to lift a vehicle safely and effectively. Always prioritize caution and precision when undertaking such tasks to prevent accidents and damage to your vehicle. Maintenance and storage tips for high lift jacks. Regular maintenance and proper storage are crucial for the safe and effective use of high lift jacks. By following these maintenance and storage tips, you can ensure the longevity and reliability of your high lift jack. Cleaning and lubrication. Regularly clean the high lift jack to prevent the buildup of dirt, grime, and debris that can affect its functionality. Use a mild detergent and water to clean the external surfaces, and pay particular attention to the moving parts and mechanisms. After cleaning, make sure to thoroughly dry the jack to prevent rust and corrosion. Once the jack is clean, apply a high-quality lubricant to the moving parts, such as the jack's pivot points and joints. Lubrication helps prevent corrosion, reduces friction, and ensures smooth operation. Be sure to use a lubricant that is specifically designed for high lift jacks to maintain optimal performance. Inspecting for wear and damage. Regular inspections are essential to identify any signs of wear or damage that may compromise the safety and functionality of the high lift jack. Check for any cracks, bends, or deformities in the structural components, as well as signs of rust or corrosion. Inspect the mechanical components for any signs of wear, such as worn-out gears or damaged springs. Additionally, Ensure that the jack's hardware, including nuts, bolts, and pins, is secure and free of any signs of wear or damage. Any worn or damaged components should be replaced immediately to prevent potential safety hazards during use. Storing the jack properly. Proper storage is key to maintaining the high-lift jack's performance and longevity. Store the jack in a clean, dry environment away from extreme temperatures and humidity. Ideally, the jack should be stored in a cool, dry place to prevent rust and corrosion. When storing the jack, ensure that it is placed in a secure and stable position to prevent it from falling or shifting. Consider using a protective cover to shield the jack from dust and moisture. Proper storage not only extends the lifespan of the high-lift jack, but also ensures that it is ready for immediate use when needed. In conclusion, a high-lift jack is a versatile tool for off-road enthusiasts, farmers, and anyone who needs to lift heavy loads. However, it's crucial to use it correctly to ensure safety and effectiveness. Always make sure the base is secure, use appropriate attachments, and never exceed the jack's weight capacity. Regular maintenance and inspection are also vital to keep the jack in good working condition. By following these guidelines, you can make the most of your high-lift jack while minimizing the risk of accidents. Thanks for joining us as we explored the usage of a high-lift jack. By understanding these techniques and safety measures, you're better equipped to handle this powerful tool confidently during your off-road adventures. Stay tuned for more informative guides and off-road safety tips. Remember, proper knowledge and caution are crucial when using a high-lift jack. Drive safe and enjoy your off-road experiences. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.